There's a lot of takeaways from this. This was one of the most, I think, constructive and yet very lengthy discussion. And one, I think we had a discussion mostly on the re-domiciliation, which was where we actually were requesting that the ARC should move from Bermuda to being an African country. But mostly, another important key word was the visibility that needs to be showcased with ARC so that the product can actually expand more. That's one of the key things. And also the reforms. Those are the three key elements that I actually picked a lot, because with the reforms comes contingency planning for disaster risk reduction and risk profiling, as well as early warning. And for that, it says maybe we can be ahead of shocks that hit us and be proactive. I think one of the key elements that we actually picked was product diversification. We need to expand our territory and enlarge our tent. It's very key. We can't be narrow-minded when the competition is high and there are a lot of insurance companies. I remember when I was in Lesotho at some point in time, and the Minister of Finance was like, we have a lot of insurance from World Bank. What is ARC able to offer? So you see, since the market is like that, it means ARC has to actually diversify its products so that at the end of the day, people can be lured to be part of the ARC. And one of the things also which is key is what I realized, especially for financial sustainability, is the issue of ratification, where member states come in and they ratify. So that's a bit of a challenge, and the issue that was mostly discussed in here was that financial sustainability for ARC, and because it's funded by donors. Now the need is for member states to at least pay a certain premium so that we can actually have a sustainable ARC that will help the whole of Africa. So that's where the key is. So that's one of the most key elements that pick up, or a green light that I said, or maybe a highlight that I said, this one has to be done promptly.